Hello, AADME family. In today's video, I'll be telling you what all experiences I had and what all things I'm grateful for the AADME and its team. Okay, I don't think many of you must have noticed it, but I am really grateful for the team for its discipline. Discipline, as in, they make sure that you don't sit idle. You're always swamped with your projects, with your assignments, and everything. Every other day, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturdays, we have classes. Every day, you must be seeing one thing that Alok sir always remind us that we cannot sit idly. Always tries to push us, even we don't want us to push ourselves. And the day he asked for the permission that if he can push and if he can help or guide us when we are on the wrong path, and we all gave the permission. And see, today we are making videos looking at the camera, irrespective of what kind of breed you are, extrovert, introvert, extrovert. You're making videos, you're sharing it, you're sharing your feelings, and today you're sharing what ADME has done for you. This is really a big deal. For me, it is, and for every one of you, it is. This is the most grateful thing ADME could do for us, especially for me. I really like the discipline. I really like the, you know, that एक डर assignments complete नहीं करने का, time पे नहीं देने का. I really like that. And the second thing, of course, I could never believe that one day I'll be able to replicate the website, make videos of myself, complete each and every challenge before the deadline, and completing almost every assignment I get. I could not believe I could do this. But this was possible only because of Alok sir and its team and its helping team. So yeah, a big thanks to you guys. Thank you. And as I have told in my earlier videos, this is one of the best decisions I've ever taken in my life. I'll make sure you know, इसका एक अच्छा रिजल्ट मैं निकालूंगी. Thank you for watching.